let's make something that tastes just like an apple pie. A la mode, it's so good. All right, so you're using 1 cup of milk of your choice. I'm using an almond milk, and 1 scoop of, I'm using whey protein powder. You can use whatever kind you want. Mine is vanilla ice cream flavored. It works out great. 1 cup of ice, 1/4 cup of oats, a frozen banana that's going to be chopped, one half teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 1 apple that's going to be peeled, chopped, and cored, 2 dates without the pit, of course, chop it, and the banana is going to be chopped as well. I'm going to throw it all into the blender. Let's give credit where credit is due. This recipe comes from Plant Over Processed. Here is the author, and she came up with this wonderful, wonderful breakfast or any time of the day smoothie. So let's get started. I'm just going to toss it all in the blender and then blend it up until it's smooth. And goodness, you guys, this is so good. It's got your fiber, it's got your protein, it's got your sweet fix. I mean, if you love apple pie a la mode or just apple pie, this is great. It's going to be a great breakfast or any time of the day meal.